What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. And yes, it's the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here. King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, no rags, just riches. King Hussle crazy reactions. The Hussle family turn motivation to means. Dog pound exotic pups. Goosebumps horror stories, Sleeping with the Rain, Milwaukee made King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, and King Hussle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on my Twitch, King Hussle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from all those YouTube channels and that Twitch. I dual stream, so that means I go live from all the channels at the same time. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels and Twitch. So whenever I go live, because I might go live from one channel when I do a giveaway, you never know. You'll be notified. You'll know what's going on. Hey, you'll be ready. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for. Right. Before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What it do, my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members, and we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you tired of being a zero? You ready to be a family hero? Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen, because you already know when I drop these videos, you'll get the notifications. It's going to be some information that's going to help you win, all right? And in today's video, we're talking about a place that is helping small businesses get the funding that they need to succeed. Yes, Mount Franklin Group. Yes, they're giving small businesses with bad credit up to $500,000, starting as low as $3,000. They helping people get the bag. All right. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about Mount Franklin Group. There's a lot of people out there starting new businesses, need funding, need to figure out where to go to get funding, how to get funded, how to get approved. It's a lot going on in this business world, in this credit world right now. So for all my new entrepreneurs, for all my people looking to start building their credit profiles, their business credit profiles, let's get to it. All right. So let me go ahead and drag them in real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let me drag the bank in one time. All right. So fast and flexible small business financing, alternative business funding from $3,000 to $500,000 in as little as one business day. Minimum requirements: 6 months in business, $5,000 in monthly revenue, business account, and a business bank account. So loans from $3,000 to $500,000, loan terms from 3 months to 24 months, automatic daily or weekly payments for easy and fast application. Click there. All right. So responsible funding you can trust. At Belmont Franklin Group, our mission is to help small and mid-sized businesses grow without the stress of applying for small business funding through a traditional loan lender. With a streamlined online application, faster turnaround, and approval based on your business's potential, not just your credit rating. We can approve more small business funding than traditional lenders, often in as little as one business day. Apply for small business loan online and get the funding you need in as little as 24 hours. Our funding advisors will respond within 4 hours during regular business hours to help you find the right small business financial options, as well as answer any questions you might have. With funding $3,000 up to $500,000, the Belmont Franklin Group offers a variety of small business funding options to suit your business, including merchant cash advances, small business loan, and working capital. So, business financing solutions, custom financing solutions for your small business. So, merchant cash advance, receive a lump sum of capital in exchange for a percentage of your business future sales, $3,000 to $500,000. Small business loans, secure working capital for inventory, payroll, marketing, taxes, and more, $3,000 to $500,000. Working capital, receive a lump sum of capital in exchange for a percentage of your business future sales in the same amount, $3,000 to $500,000. So let's see if we match. So fair credit, trying to get 5K. Monthly volume around, let's just say $10,000. You roughly get you qualify for $9,000. So basically, what you make a month is probably what you get qualified for. So 99% approval rate. Even ever wonder why banks make securing funding for small businesses such an ordeal? The paperwork, endless questions, and delays can be overwhelming. That's where the Belmont Franklin Group steps in. As experts in small business loans, we streamline our process. Our online application takes mere minutes to review. We offer personalized and flexible financing options. Quickly approve applications and can deposit cash in your account in as little as one business day. So easy application. Optimize your business operations with intensive application process, guaranteeing the seamless and productive experience. Our expert team conducts a prompt review in an application, ensuring a comprehensive assignment to tailor your optimal financing solutions for your needs. Approval and quick funding. Discover unparalleled approval speed and expedited funding through our dedication and streamlined process designed for properly bolster your business. All right, so make sure you guys are checking in and checking out the Belmont Franklin Group, because they got a lot of different solutions. Let me go right here. Oh, we just read that. All right, so how it works, facts. So apply online, so 95% approval, application submitted, go. So the process to getting some small business loan and done in 4 steps. So application is submitted, begin the process by completing the credit application and providing your last 3 months business bank statements. File goes to underwriting. Our underwriting team reviews the application to ensure the borrower meets the minimum criteria and looks at factors such as credit history, monthly revenue, and time in business to make a credit decision. Credit decision is given. Our underwriting team would then determine the maximum loan amount, pricing structure, loan terms, and repayment process. Acceptance transfer of funds. Once you accept the loan terms, the loan amount is then transferred to the borrower's bank account. All right, so they helping people get the bag, man. You ain't gotta always shoot for the big loans. You ain't gotta always shoot for the 5,000, the 10,000, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 loans when it comes to small business startups. New small startup business loans. All right, you ain't gotta always go for the big amount. A lot of people shoot for the big amount, not knowing that it'll be easier for you to get smaller amounts or shoot or try to apply for smaller amounts, because depending on when it's a new small startup business, you got to understand, new small startup business means it's new, meaning that it's under 2 years. So if your business is under 2 years, you already go, it's certain banks that won't even give you $50,000. Truest, they give you $25,000 if you are under 2 years. There's a lot of different banks that will not qualify you for the $50,000 or the $100,000 new small startup business loans or small business loans. Now there are some banks that do offer $50,000 to $100,000 new small startup business loans, even if you are under 2 years of establishment. So it's all about doing your research, all about knowing what banks require what, understanding of what they're looking for, so you can already have your documentations in order so that you can be in a position to get the things that you need to succeed in winning life, and that's business funding. Because at the end of the day, we all want to become self-made millionaires and successful entrepreneurs. And the only way we can start doing that is with the knowledge, because we don't know how to add trade lines, what trade lines to add, what to do, how we going to make it happen. So that's why I'm the financial trapper, the financial trapper. There we go, the financial trapper. I'm here to help give the information to my people. Let y'all know if I can do it, you can do it too. It does not matter who you are or what you got going on in this world. You can make it happen. It does not matter. You just gotta want to make it happen. When you want to make it happen, you're going to take the steps that you need to take in order to complete whatever that you need to complete and make happen. All right, so make sure you guys are taking this information, getting your paperwork together, making sure your business is in order, making sure your documentation is in order, your bank statements, all these things are in order, making sure your credit profile is decent, because that will be what determines if you get approved or not. All right. So shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems are $1,000, but for limited time only, I'm doing it for $600. Yes, $600 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know you payment ready, and we will go from there. All right. No screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions, and please do not yo me. Also, make sure y'all taking the opportunity with this deal that I got going on. To 260, I'm doing 5 questions FaceTime lessons. Any 5 questions that you need, any help that you need help with, 5 questions, 260 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. All right. Send them screenshots when y'all ready for your service or whatever that you need going on. All right. Also, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the all. Make sure you guys book y'all seat on the crypto tour in person limited gems. $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person. Make sure y'all book y'all seat on the month long mentorship, 30 days, 24/7 service. Anything you need help with on the personal business side, anything that you want to talk about on the personal business side, you got me for 30 days, 24/7 service. Let's get to work. Let's elevate and grow. Also, make sure y'all checking out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato app, Millionaire Network. Make sure you guys going blank. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women. We're gonna do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, networking, and having fun. Make sure y'all go subscribe and hit the all notification bell on my YouTube channels and my Twitch. Make sure you go follow me on my IG, King Hustle X11.2. Run no followers up. That will lead you to all my other IGs. Make sure y'all checking out the crypto world. And with that being said, man, it's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down into these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson, live or video. Peace.